Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot change country region in Apple ID on any iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are having any issue to change the country or region in your Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you just have to open the settings, and here to make or change your country or region, you have to change some settings first. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, because sometimes your network is not stable and you might get these type issues. So you have to open your general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected, you have to try to disconnect your VPN. Once you have disconnected, simply go back, open up the software update section. You have to make sure that you haven't any software update available here. If you have, try to update your software, then go back again, tab on transfer reset iPhone, tab on reset network settings, enter your password or passcode, and once you have entered your all network setting reset it, because sometimes it might be that your any network setting might be error into your changing country process. So you must have to make sure that you have resetted all your network settings. So then you have to open language and region from here and select the region respective to your debit card or credit card. So you have to keep in mind that it will not change the region into your Apple account. It will change region only for your device. Once you have that, you just have to go back, and here you have to tap on your Apple account, and from here you have to select the media and purchases, select view account, and here you have to enter your Apple ID password, or you have to verify with your Face ID. So you must have to wait for its loading screen, and once you have that, you have to tap on the country or region option, and from here you have to select the country or the region in which you're living or respective to your debit card or credit card. In my case, I'm going to select my ones, and once I have selected, simply tap on it, and here select the continue option, and here you have to tap on the agree option in the top right corner, and here you just have to enter all of your debit card or credit card informations, or if you don't have any debit card or credit card, so you have to tap on this none option here, or you have to enter these informations, or if you have any credit card, you can easily add it. Once you have that, simply tap on this done option in the top right corner, and your country or region in your Apple ID will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are unable to change your country or region in your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.